Special cell shades. We can fill the cells with different colors and shade. It makes the cell more presentable. Steps to apply cell shades in cells. Select the cells. Choose the cells options from the Format menu. Click on the Fill tab. Choose the desired color and patterns that you want to apply. Click on OK and the desired pattern would be applied on the cells. Protecting cells. Excel also provides us the feature of protecting the cells to avoid unauthorized access to the data. It helps us to protect the document from editing or viewing by the others. It is important to set an option to unlock cells that may still require change after a worksheet is protected. By default, every cell has its locked property set to true. Steps to protect a cell. Select the cells that you want to be locked. Go to Format menu and choose Cells option. Click on the Protection tab. Click OK.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.